Hello, my name is Katrina Miller. I am currently a family-based mental health case manager, and I am working that full-time. So I work with a partner who is the lead therapist, and she does most of the assessing of the clients, and I manage the case overall, the paperwork and whatnot. I do have my own individual sessions with families, but I really go off of the lead therapist for the most part and what their hypothesis is and how they're assessing the client. Unfortunately, there's not many places around where I live. I live about an hour and 40 minutes from Widener, the main campus. So not many places around me that I can do an internship with. I would work with my full-time schedule. So I am actually still just gonna intern at Concern, which is the company I work for, and I'm going to be observing the team lead therapist that on different teams. So I won't be working with my clients, but different clients with that lead therapist of that team, and will I'll really just be shadowing and observing them and seeing how they create their hypotheses, how they assess the clients, they make their treatment plans, they make the safety crisis plan. So really sitting in on sessions for that. So I'm excited for that. What I want to get out of this course is really see how trauma can affect the body, and just some interventions and things that we can do with clients. I really want to stick to working with individuals that have been very traumatized. I think that's something I'm really interested in doing in my future. So I think this course will be really helpful in guiding me to learn some interventions and just seeing how trauma can affect someone. And so far, I'm loving the readings. I think they're going to be really helpful as well. Especially the boy who was raised at dog. I'm really, really interested in that and how he wrote it. So I'm excited for that. Um, and then I think it's just the self-care. Um, I've really been trying to do more self-care and being more positive. So I recently just started seeing my own therapist. So I'm starting to journal, things like that, and just having more of a positive mindset instead of thinking of a negative or things like that. So that's one thing I'm really doing for self-care recently. Another thing is I really like to travel. So I've been planning even just mini getaways just to keep me sane and take some days off work. It's helpful, and I do it when we don't really have school, so that way I don't miss much. But this past week I actually just got back from Ireland, so I was there for 10 days, and it was so nice to just take 2 weeks off of work and a little break from school, so that was great. And my third way for self-care is I recently hired a nutrition and fitness coach. I have a lot of issues with nutrition, getting sick a lot, so I'm really taking care of myself that way. And I notice, the food she's giving me and me going to the gym and the exercises she's giving me, I feel so much better every time. I like throughout the day. I just notice a huge difference. So that's something I've really am enjoying as well. And then other little things for self care, like I do like to read. It's a little hard with school, but and I do like some TV shows, and I'm like trying to just be more active. So maybe going on hikes or walks and yoga or something like that. But I'm really excited for this course, and I did choose Widener because of the focus on the trauma. So this course is something I've been looking forward to. So I'm really excited and excited to get to know you all. Okay, bye.